Okay, so Edward T. Hall had a theory about this cultural iceberg. That means he compared culture to an iceberg. He says that you can see the small part of it above the waterline, and the main part is underneath the waterline, and it's not visible from the surface like an iceberg. The small part above the waterline is defined by the physical aspects like language, food, flags, and so on. And I have chosen clothing or dresses as my focus point. In general, at the Danes' wardrobe, we mostly have work clothes, beautiful party clothes, and cozy clothes. It could look like this here. Um, the large part of the iceberg is more about the values. Here I have here I have chosen approaches to problem solving as my focus point. As we know, in many countries there are a tendency to solve problems through violence, but here in Denmark we solve them most often by talking about the problems. We say a lot of sorry and we forgive a lot. It must be because we care so much about love.